Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes, they know.
Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. This video is going to be an unboxing of the Silver & Riley Petite New Yorker bag. I am so excited to open this. I've been plotting on this bag for a long time. Excited that I finally have it, and I wanted to share my opening experience with you guys. So thank you so much for taking the time out to come to the channel, and let's jump right into it. But before we do, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate you clicking on the thumbnail and watching the video. But we don't want you to miss out on any of the videos we make here on the channel. So it is an easy and free way for you to help support the channel. Click that subscribe button. Thank you in advance. Also, hit the notification bell if you want to be first to know when I post a new video or go live. And like this video if you like the video. Also, for me to know I should make more videos like this. It's funny, I buy stuff all the time and I never really do unboxing videos, but I'm like, do people even care about that, or do you just want to review to see that it's good? So we're gonna do both for this, so I'm so excited about sharing this with you guys. So again, this is the Silver & Riley Petite New York bag. Let me go back to, I'm in my shop app so I can tell you guys what color I got. It is the Petite New Yorker bag in Midtown in the shade purple with gold hardware. So that is the bag. I'll leave the website and pricing information in the description box below. So this is the box. So it had a little address slip, but I took this out. But I wanted to show you what it said. That was so cute. Look in the corner. It says, "Thanks, Kimberly." Isn't that so sweet? And then it has a little Silver & Riley sticker in the corner. I absolutely love that. So let's open her up. Alright, I got my handy dandy little box cutter. I'm trying to be gentle just to make sure. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's other packaging like protecting it, but I do not want to cut this thing and then find like a slice in my bag. I will never forget myself. Okay, UPS, your little packing slip. Got me struggling. Alright, handy dandy box cutter away. Alright, so we're going to open the box. This is the box. And inside paperwork with my address. Sorry about that. You know, we gotta try to be safe out here. Okay, that's on the floor. Oh my god, and it's a handwritten thank you note. I'm not gonna read it to you guys because this, let me stop, it's special to me. Let me stop. A shout out to the owner, Lola. It seems like if she writes a handwritten note to everybody, that is so adorable. So I absolutely love this bag. I'm gonna show it to you guys. So this is, I didn't even open it yet, and I'm telling y'all I love it, Lord. So I will say, this is very, very thoughtful packaging, and prep is absolutely indicative of the high-class luxury bag that this is. Silver & Riley is a black-owned handbag company, so I'm really excited to use this bag and to be able to support them. So this is care instructions because it is made with real Italian leather. So, you know, you can't just treat it like any old bag out here. So gotta take care of the bag. So that card tells you how to do it. And this is a mini bag, so it should be small, but hopefully big enough to hold my cell phone. This is the duster bag. So cute. Silver & Riley, made in Italy. That's the bag inside the plastic. Ooh. So let me take this bag off. Oh, and that's the handle taped around it. And it's like in its own little plastic sleeve. Alright, we're gonna do a little unripping. Okay. So the strap was attached to the plastic, so we lost the strap. But this is the bag. So cute. And what I really wanted to make sure was that this bag could fit this phone. So we are going to double check once we open it up inside. It's funny. Most people have like the regular, especially me holding other people's phones. Most people have the regular Apple Pro or just the regular Apple like 16 or 15, whatever the number is going to be. So whenever people see my phone with the Pro Max, they're like, this phone is huge. And I'm like, yes it is. Don't y'all watch stuff on your phone screen? I do not want to be looking at no itty bitty screen. Oh, it's so gorgeous. You can see that gold handle. Looks so pretty. So you're gonna lift that off, that way we can continue to unwrap her. But I love the muslin all over. It's very clear that they want to take care to make sure your bag does not get injured in transporting. Unfortunately, that is like the new thing. Like, people are packing stuff to be shipped and then not packing it with enough package stuff, and then it's like, ooh, when they drop that box 18 times, now look what happened to what was on the inside. So, oh my god, this bag is gorgeous. This bag is gorgeous. Like, you see how the color is so true and like radiating off of this bag? Like, it's just, and it's funny because I'm not a mini bag girl. Like, in terms of my other handbag, like my handbag that I'm using the most right now is a medium-sized Teflar. So it's like, clearly I'm a bag lady, like Erykah Badu said. But I saw this mini bag and I was just like, it looks elegant. And it is so cute. And they also, shout out to whoever does their marketing. They have really great pictures for their social media, and their website's really clean and beautiful, and so are their Instagram ads, and the targeting works, just in case you weren't sure. Let me stop. I have been plotting, like I said, I was plotting on this bag for years. Actually, truth be told, I wanted the orange one with the, I didn't care what kind of, because they do have some bags with silver and then some bags with gold hardware. My favorite color is orange, so I just wanted the orange one, but unfortunately the orange sold out before I was able to get it. So that was that. And oh no, okay, y'all, the phone might not fit. All right, there's like little billowings, so let's see if we stretch them out. Am I not gonna get a max for my next phone just because I love this purse? Okay, I jammed it in there, but it definitely stretched the bag out. So you can see she fits barely horizontally, but it does fit an iPhone Pro Max if you have one. But it is a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. Let's try to, so that is the closing mechanism. I'm gonna push it on top and then put that over it. So I'm clearly not going to be able, I just switched to a little grandpa wallet now, so I might be able to get my wallet in it, but oh, that is so cute. And it's funny, I mean, granted the Telfar is a little more expensive, so that is, you can feel the weightiness of that bag too, but this bag you can tell is like a real deal leather bag. It even smells like Italian grandpas, like how a leather bag smells, like their real leather shoes and their real leather belt and their real leather wallet, because they're like, this is genuine and not the quick fashion stuff that me be buying. I can't even blame other people because I'm right there. I love the pocketbooks in Target, but this is really a quality piece. It's definitely an investment. I know this is going to age beautifully and I'm gonna have it for a long time, and this is my new go-to bag. I'm going to put a little lip gloss in it, wallet, and then be off to the races because I need to stop being a bag lady, y'all. And I think I'm still going to be able to get a little hand lotion and a hand sanitizer in here too. So this is a super cute purse. A little gift to myself. I absolutely love a well-made handbag. This is so gorgeous. So thank you so much for checking out the video. I am going to continue to love it and wear it and use it, and I'll probably wait for like 6 months so that way I could do a real thorough review, maybe 3 months, because a pocketbook is a pocketbook. What can I really say? But and pretty sure I'm definitely not gonna have no issues with it. But this is so gorgeous. Super excited about this bag. So thank you so much for taking the time to come to my channel and watch the video. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any other questions, definitely check the description box. I'll have some information. But if you have any questions for me personally, like how I'm loving the bag and using it, hop in the comment section below and I will try to respond to everybody. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't